Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ohad, co-founder and CEO of TrueAccord, and this is Nadav, co-founder and CTO. TrueAccord was launched in 2014 with a single mission in mind: reinvent the way debt collection is being done. We developed a product that uses machine learning, behavioral analytics, and a humanistic approach to present a customer experience that is unprecedented in debt collection. We service $60 million in debt and are growing. We're showing recovery improvements of 20% and more, and agent productivity improvement of up to 10x. Today, we're showing a new offering, the TrueAccord White Label Platform, a product that allows any lender to use our technology for their internal team with their own brand. And Nadav is going to walk us through the experience for you, for your agent, and for the customer.
Imagine that you are a lender and your company name is Borrow Club. Business is going great, but every now and then, there are customers who just disappear and drop off their payment plans. So you heard in Finovate that there's this amazing company called TrueAccord, which can help you supercharge your collection efforts. So you signed up and logged into their website for the very first time. The page you are seeing now is your TrueAccord dashboard. Here you can monitor and manage your debt portfolio. You don't have any debt in the system yet, so let's upload a file. The system can take CSV files from your computer and parse them, or you can use our API to set up two-way integration between your systems and ours. Once the accounts are up, the system classifies them and immediately starts the collection process for you. So let's fast forward 1 week, and your dashboard looks something like this. Here you can see all the accounts, those that are partially paid, those that are in progress, those that have been fully paid, those that have been disputed. And you can see all the communications that the system has generated towards those customers. If we go to the settings page, here you can control a lot of parameters of the collection process. You can set the minimum payment that you're willing to take, the maximum discount that our system is allowed to negotiate for you, and the length of the maximum payment plan that you'll allow. On top of that, our behavioral engineers continuously write content and experiment with it to test what's working and what's not. And whenever an experiment reaches a certain stability level, we offer it to you here so you can approve the content or reject it. So if you reject it, your customers will never see it. We try to communicate over all channels. We try over email, SMS, letters, voicemail placements, and so on. So let's see what a view looks like for one of your agents. So your agent looks for one of your debtors who has fallen into collections recently. His name is Owen Money, and this is his account. You can see here all sorts of parameters, all sorts of information we have about the account. And in the history page, you can see all the decisions that the system has ever made about him. You can see all the decisions for sending emails, all the letters that he got, all the SMS messages that he received, and as well as the opens and clicks on them. In another tab, you can also see all the pages that he's viewed on the system while he was browsing our website. So if we go back, we see that the latest decision of the system was to send this email to Owen. So let's pick at Owen's inbox and see what this email might look like. This is Owen's Gmail inbox. He received this friendly-looking letter that describes the situation, it states the amount, and it gives him a big payment button to click on. At the bottom of this email, you will see the mandatory notice that every email that we send has it, and it gets added automatically by our compliance engine. So Owen looks at this email and clicks the button. The system thinks that Owen is a low-risk customer that is about to make a full amount payment. So, however, Owen at the same time doesn't feel that he should make the payment, so he clicks unable to pay. And the next thing the system does, it shows him various payment plan options. Owen looks at them, but unfortunately, he decides to close the tab. Let's go back to the agent view. The agent can see the email that went out, and now everything that happens in our system, every decision that it makes, every email, and every page that the user gets to see is based on previous statistics. Nothing is left to chance. So what we see now is that our system reacted to the open and click event and the drop-off of Owen, and he decided to send another email, a follow-up email from his account representative. So let's look at what that email might look like. This is a personal email that is based on Owen's specific situation. Owen clicks on that email and is offered now a new payment plans. These payment plans now are more affordable. They're spread over a longer period of time. Owen chooses one of them. fills his payment details on the website, his billing address, and so on, and checks the box, and he can sign up for the plan. And this is it. Owen is set up, and he's completed the sign-up process that was completely automated from your point of view, yet it was personalized to Owen's individual account circumstances.
We created a product that uses machine learning and behavioral analytics and the humanistic approach that understands the customer's needs and wants to create an automated collection process that can connect into a customer care team in the back end. We see collection improvements of 20% and more. We see agent productivity improvement of up to 10x, and a great user experience that supports retention and recovery. We'd love to talk to you about supercharging your collection effort or collection effort of your partners. Please find us at our booth today. Thank you very much.